Hello student, welcome to my class. Today I will start the new chapters in class 10th, that is the arithmetic progression. That is very important part of this one. What is the arithmetic progression? Or before that, if you want to know what is the progression or the sequence. Here we will start arithmetic progression. In this one, first of all, we like to know about the progression, or that is called the sequence. What is that? For example, you are having 1, 4, 9, 16, so on, like this one. Or you can say 1, 4, 16, 64, like this one also. Or 1, 4, 7, 10, like this one. Or sometimes you can get this type of also decreasing one, like this. These all are called the progression or the sequence. What do we mean by the progression? Means, or it is called the sequence or sequence जो भी बोलो. This is called progression because all the numbers, all the group of numbers are following some pattern or rule. For example, this one, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like this one. So a particular pattern, square of the number, or it is having 1, then 4 into 4, 16. Oh, sorry, this will be 64 then. Each one will be multiplied by 4 of the previous one, then you are getting this one. So these are also progression or sequence. It is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, like this one. Here they go 50 minus 3 minus 3, so on. So all this particular pattern is followed, then these are called the progression or the sequence. But out of these two progression or these two sequence are called the arithmetic progression, or it is in short we say AP. Why? These two are called the AP by arithmetic progression. Why? That progression, that the sequence group of numbers is following a particular pattern. What is that pattern? The difference of two terms, difference of two consecutive terms remains constant, then it is called the arithmetic progression. So for arithmetic progression we are having this one, the difference of two consecutive terms remains constant, remains same, then it is called the AP, or you can say arithmetic progression. Difference of two consecutive terms remains constant, that is called the AP. So AP by arithmetic progression will be said the difference between two consecutive terms remains constant. Constant. That is called the arithmetic progression or AP. That means यदि term wise हम लोग बोले T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, like this one, anything it can be Tn minus Tn minus 1, that is constant and that is denoted by D. It is called, that's constant जो हो गया, that is called the common difference. So if you have an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D, that means first A, then A plus D, A plus 2D, like this form if it is going on, then that AP in general form we say AP in this form will be what? AP usually we write A, next A plus D, A plus 2D, like this one it is going. So देखो, first term is, it is A is called the first term. First one you are, that is A, and you are having the common difference we have, that is equal to D. That's we have. So for any AP we can get a particular pattern. Look what we have. First term you are having A, that is T1. Second term, that is having A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. In this way, fourth term A plus 3D. The first term is A, common difference is D. Then from there you will get a rule. How we are getting? If you observe that one, because second term T2 equal to A plus D or A plus 1D. Means second term that can be written as A plus 2 minus 1D. A plus 1D. Third term A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D, like that one you have. So what's the term? That's minus 1D it is coming. We can write 2 minus 1D. That can be written as देखो, third term with respect to 3 minus 1D. A plus 4 minus 1D, like this one. So what the term you are having, that general form we can write, the nth term if you have, that is denoted by n, Tn, and some books it can be written as An. So that will be in this form, A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the formula. So nth term from the beginning, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So general form you are getting the nth term from the beginning, that is Tn we denote, that it will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A stands for first term, D stands for common difference, n stands for number of terms, and Tn stands for the nth term from the beginning. Similarly, if we have the last term also, first formula you got, and if the AP you have first term A, second term A plus D, like this one A plus 2D, so last term if you have L, then second last term it will be L minus D, third last term it will be N minus 2D, fourth last term L minus 3D, like this one it will be. So here also see, second from the end, minus 1D, third minus 2D, just one less, fourth minus 3D. So from there you will get another formula also, nth term from the end, that is anything, suppose I am writing here Tn dash, so that will be what? L minus n minus 1 into D. Here L stands for the last term and D as well as that's one common difference. So using these two results you will get this exercise, and we can see also some calculation, some that can be done. One question we like to discuss, that is the very important type of question also you may get in the exam. Just sometimes the number of terms to be find out. That the question you are having, question number 13 in your book. Which term of an AP, number of terms you have to find out. AP is having what? Take a look at it. 21, 18, 15, so on. In this sequence is minus 81. So you have to check here. Here what do you have? First term, that is A, equal to 21, and D. D common difference, always you will think that will be the second term minus first term. Difference T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, like this one. It will come 18 minus 21, so it will be minus 3. And let nth term be equal to minus 81. You have to find out the number of terms. Okay, so Tn, nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 81. Put the values what we have. That is 21. D is what? Minus 3 equal to minus 81. So first this 21 will be taken that side. So it will be n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 81 minus 21. So ultimately minus 105. Both sides minus can be cancelled. Even by 3 you can cancel. That's when you will get 35. 10 minus 1 equal to 35. Or you have to find out n. So 35 plus 1 equal to 36. Therefore you can say the 36th term is your minus 81. So in this way you will do the exercise. Exercise 5A. You will do that one. If you have any question, in the next time you will ask that one. Okay, thank you.